Vinod, sir.
You're audible, Saranya. You can give the introduce the speaker.
Good day to one and all gathered in this forum. I'm extremely honored in introducing the guest speaker for the session, Dr. Paulmakesh. Sir has completed his diploma in engineering, and sir has completed his bachelor's degree in civil engineering in 2008 and his master's in structural engineering in 2019 and his doctorate degree in 2024. Sir is well versed in softwares like STAD, ETAP, STRAP for concrete and steel structures, MS Project Primavera. Sir started his career as a site engineer in the year 2007 in FSO Design Private Limited, then as design and planning engineer in the year 2019 in KK Associate. Sir began his teaching profession as an assistant professor in Dr. MGR University for the period 2011 to 2015. And Sir has also worked in Walkite University, Ethiopia for the period 2015 to 2017. And Sir has become the associate professor in MGR University in the year 2017 to 2019. Sir has also worked as an assistant professor in Bolito Soda University in 2020 to 2022. With no further delay, I would like to hand over the session to Dr. Paul Mahesh, sir.
Thank you. Hello? No, no, get me.
Sir, you're audible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Uh, so, so thank you for the event in so especially I thank to say civil engineering. Say civil. So, first so my topic is the project management and building construction. So I'm working as a planning engineer. So project management is very important. So begin and start with some basic about civil engineering. So after that, I can go enter the topic of project management. So what is the main purpose of this presentation? What do you know? Mainly, the construction demands high degree management. So nowadays, so many concessions going on. So after COVID-19, so many concessions. We can go outside. See, everyone construct a building, apartment, villas, so many things. But more demand in site engineers. So nowadays, so many students went to IT company. So mainly, I can focus about what is the demand in the construction and how to manage the project projects. So mainly, number three, all this percentage, what you going to learn, practical knowledge is very important. So we are studied first semester, second semester, all like theory knowledge. So compared to theory knowledge, practical knowledge is very important. I'm going to deal about this kind of things overall presentation. So what is agenda of this presentation is first one, some basic, I can tell about some basic about civil engineering and what is mean by building construction. These are all known. Staff, student, all are well known this kind of things. Third one, explanation of project management. What is a project management and the planning process? Fourth one, how to do construction project. So it's a very important. So all are studying the BTech lab, BTech civil IM tech. So all I need jobs. So first one, we know about some knowledge about concession department. It's a very important. So I going to tell about this kind of things. Finally, I given some flow chart of project management. First one, so what is a civil engineering? So this for the first 10 minutes and tell about some basic about civil engineering. So from civil engineering, knowledge is very important. So not only theory knowledge is already we studied second semester and designs, planning, all things. So I'm talking about only practical experience. I given some notes. You can working from your knowledge or get cultivate your knowledge, then you get more experience in days, months, years, then you get jobs. So everyone want jobs. How to get jobs? If you go to company, what is going to ask? First you having some experience. Suppose fresher means no need. So they want only experience. So how to get experience for this kind of things means first one, we can work in knowledge, whatever you knowledge. So you studied, so for example, civil, you know a beam, column, foundation, all things. You can keep on working in knowledge. The knowledge will get into experience. It's a this called experience. So easily get job. This is the one of the way I given the one turn knowledge into action. So mainly, so everyone seeking jobs. Today, everyone seeking jobs. Opportunities available, but quality, there's no quality. So I'm working as before I was working as an associate. Now I come to the planning. So many building construction is going on, but quality is very important. So for example, today we went to hotel. So lot of hotel is the hotel. So which one is the best hotel? No one tell. Chennai, which one is the best food? No, nobody is not able to tell. So because no quality. So come to building point, come to job. You want job means quality is a very important. Basis upon the quality, basis upon the experience, then only get job. So I give the knowledge we empower. Knowledge is very important. Knowledge means what you know, you can work in the knowledge. So next one, civil. What is a civil engineering? Means I given some terms: construction, investigation, and the various information leveling. This is the civil stance. So you can understood this civil means you can understand all knowledge. What is a construction? What is a investigation? What is a information? What is a leveling? This is you can gather all things in single word civil. So we know this kind of what type of building is commercial building, residential building, educational, industrial, so many buildings. Today I'm talking about only small things, how to manage the project management. So the client will be give so 1,000 square feet. More than 2,000 square feet. How to build the construction, how to manage. So I can concentrate only small building. It's only residential building. So you come to civil engineering, so many departments is there, so many disciplines, structural engineering, water resources, geotechnical, construction management, transportation engineering. These are so many departments in civil. So now we can focus only construction engineering. So I given some basic. What if do structural means design a beam column foundation. Mainly, what is structural means beam column foundation. Beam column foundation slab. This is enough. Staircase is difference. Is you can assume in the future it's going to go up means up and up. But mainly we have to work in the analysis of such a beam column foundation slab. So what is a concession management? We are the concession management. How to concession manage? So how to plan, how to design, how to resources. So many resources there. Who is the geotechnical? It's a soil, different department. Next one is the transportation, it's a design planning, it's a roadways, railways, so on. Next one is the environmental engineering, talking about the waters. So it's also an hydraulic engineering, it's agriculture, dams, canal. So I told this concession, civil investigation means keep on examination, keep on steps. What is that? So, say I told you before, civil engineering is not the only limitation; it's unlimited. You can set. So today, so many doing such college keep on searching step by step. There is no limitation. So what is, so for example, beam. You can you can say what type of beam is there? Cantilever beam, simply supported continuous beam is there. So you can you can investigate, you can examine what is there inside. So how to transfer the load. So you can keep on searching. This is called investigation. Next one, information. I told that one information. So what type of information is a concession? What type of information is there? You can collect the information from the site. You can collect the data. You can collect the information. So when going to start, when going to finish, you can collect all information, all data. So next one, this are so everyone known about some basic things. So you come to construction, you want to construct a building. Tomorrow you can construct a building on client. So after you can finish a BE. So everyone go to civil engineering. So after get a degree, knowledge is a very important. So you come to building two types is sub and the above. Substructure and the super. Sub means below foundation and the above is superstructure. So what is the difference between the above is lintel, slabs, beams, columns, walls, floors? These are the superstructures. So what is a frequency? So first one, what going to do? You can prepare the document, you can prepare diagrams, you can prepare the architect diagrams, you can prepare the paperwork, legal, say government approval, you can prepare the all things. Second one, already you know ISO. So these are basic. First one you can mark in the layout. This is the way you can mark in the layout. Next one, excavation. Excavation, we can dig the soil up to 3 meters. Up the basins upon the designs. Foundation. What is you can do the start of a foundation work. What a foundation first you can lay the foundation. Next piece is the next foot reinforcement. Next you can place the reinforcement even up to put a basement. After you can raise the column, you can cast in the column. So sixth one, walls, you can construct the wall, lintel, plaster work, doors, windows. You can fix the electrical and the plumbing works. You can lay the tiles, painting, so on. So this is the construction process. Two types before during construction. What is that? You can first of what to do? You can buy the land. After buying the land, you can get approved by government. After getting government, you can visit site. After you can make it the site clearance. So you can build a first one, and you can collect the resources. Mainly important money is important. You can collect the money. You can collect the, all things. So you can start a plan. You can when to start, when going to finish. So so I told some basic. So before 10 minutes, I given some basic about civil. So everyone know about this kind of things. So next important things, uh, after BE, so everyone uh, getting job means three types is there. One architect, one structural, one construction engineering. So some students all went to the architect office. What architect you can prepare the plan, elevation, section already we studied a second semester. So same thing an applying the application architect. Who is a structural engineering, you can design a column, beam. Nowadays so many software, Statco, E-Tabs, Save, Stab, so many design. It's advanced. There. You can before we can use a manual, but now using the designs. Next one, construction. So construction department is a different. So after you can complete the degree, you have to go this kind of way. So first one, architect. You want architect, you can go architect side. Next, second one, you go to so you well known. You get your interest based upon the design column. So on means you can go to structural. I don't want anything. Only I can go to construction part. So I can go to you can go to concession part. So I told you before what is the architect means. You can issue the diagrams, inspect the concession work, so on. Who is the structural engineering? Design the column, load. What is the pattern of the load means? First is slab, beam, column, foundation. Sorry, this is a load pattern. The slab load come to beam, the beam load come to column, the column load come to foundation, the foundation is in between the power partition is the closer. So this is a load pattern. So you can working on what is the load. So how to analysis of the load condition. Next one, site. So you can go to site, you can prepare the plan schedule, you can see the all labs, you can monitor it. These are civil engineering. So you know what is a load pattern is slab, beam, column, foundation. So next important. So for example, I say the example. I say the examples. So I told you before you can. So after tomorrow, for example, tomorrow you can construct one building around the 2,000 square feet, 4,000 square feet. So, but area is a big area, but same pattern. So what we need, first one, I want to construct one building. What going to do means, first one, money is important. So nowadays so many construction stopped. So what reason there is no money, there is no capital. So first one, money is important. Next, your material is very important. Next, machinery is important. Next one, time is important. When going to start, when going to finish. So normally one project means you can complete maximum 400 days. So 8 months to 10 months. So quality. So what type of quality I told before, quality is a very important. So what is the scope? What is scope? I want to complete my building. This is the scope. Safety is a very important communication. So you can marketing. Okay. So next one, what is a life
Sir, you're
cycle?
audible. You
Life.
can continue.
Hello.
Sir, you're audible, sir.
Ah. Okay. Now, yes, ma'am. Okay. So these are important things. Before I told them then basic about things. It's a very important. So I want to go one concept on building. What going to do? First one, three stage you can convert. First one, formulation, mobilization, and concession. So it's some student, MTech student, construction engineering, they know what is that. Formulation means first one you want idea about this. So I said a small scale, not the mass one. Small scale. One a small building, G plus 2 building, G plus 2 building. So what is a G plus 2 building? I want to this kind of criteria. I want this kind of document. So client doesn't know about anything. They know they want only. I want to construct one building. They need. They having only money. They having only and some things. So engineering know about knowledge. So first one is a idea. You can tell about idea. First one. Second one, you can study about all things. So what is there? You can go to visit site. How to fix the column. So why should they fix the column? You can see the all things. Capital is very important. Capital means money. You can collect the money. You get we want more money for some next one. Second one, mobilization. After finish initial stage, come to second portion. You can get a plan. So G plus two building. So I want to construct a G plus two building. What I'm going to do? So first, go to structural engineering. So where they fix a column, where should I fix a beam? So in this place, I want to fix a column is having support or not. You can keep on discussing with structural engineering. Next one, specification. What is specification means? Um, so how to do project? So foundation, step by step. What is for step by step? What did they first? You can geotechnical. You can collect the soil. You can see the capacity of SBC. SBC means what? Safe buying capacity. So what is the capacity of soil? So capacity after for the foundation, next on plinth beam basement, so on, keep on up. Okay. Next one, resources. What is a main material? So main material and machinery. Who's the main? So many things is there. So architect engineers, structural engineers, planning engineers. Um, QC engineering, building engineers, so many engineers. So who is a labas? So mason. So in Chennai we call the some local masonry. So male must do, female must do MCFC, and the bartender, the carpenter, plumber, electrician. These are resources of labors. What is the material? Material we know what is millimeter, cement, sand, porcelain, blue metal, steel, and admissions, so many things. These are material. Next, water. Water is very important. So, how to collect the water? You can prepare the sump. You can bore is so water is under the ground. We say go to keep on digging. Some under feet, 1 feet depth basis upon the land. So, water is very important. Third state constitution. So you can collect the formulation, mobilization. Third one, go to concession. This is very important. So this stage I going to deal about third one, concession stage. How to plan, how to control, what are the resources. So uh, so theory portion is a very important. Theory portion is a different, practical is a very different. You can study a concession management. You can study a concession management. It's a different. So you go to site. So angle is that angle is a different. I can explain next slide. So what is a project management? So what is project management? So concession management. What a project means? Project. What is a project? So project is a series of tasks. So when you complete a task, what a task means? Activities. What are the activities? So many activities. You can go to more than 300 activities. So you can go to systematic order. You can go to systematic order. So, so you can. So, decision is very important. So, what kind of task? So, don't. don't go. So this I get some example. I give it to one example. Solon well known. We want to buy the cell phone. So what if I? So we want to buy the cell phone. We what will do? We can you can ask everyone. So what is the say what kind of brand I going to buy? So everyone tell about Samsung or so lot of so many confusion. So finally we only take decision which is cell phone I going to select. So many people telling about all things. Finally, we only select the cell phone. We only select a brand. So one person tell about Samsung, and then cell phone tell about MI. So many things. So I want to select the cell phone for the Samsung mobile. I'm going to select the mobile in Moto. So this is a way decision making very important. That's why I tell about some examples. So when you go to project, keep on looking eyes. Decision is very important. The decision is the quality is a very important. So what is management? What is management? I told project management is management's attainment. It's attainment keep on goals. What is goal? I want to complete the building. So after 1 year, I want to see my building. This is main goal. It's a planning, organization, directing, controlling. It's a management. So mainly you can understood what is the building process mean from start to finish. This within one word you can you can keep on mind when going to start, when going to finish. This is very important. So the as per project manager, as a civil engineer, they know about this kind of information. So in between start to finish, so many obstacles will, will come. So we can tackle all obstacles. We can jump on all obstacles. So mainly the time is very important. The project. So why they given the today so many masonry they know. So why why some company they need some engineers. So they know about some quality information. They know about some following some notes. They following some course. We are following some data course. So IS 456 2000 is a bit of norms, failures, engineers. So what is the important things about civil engineering and the construction management? So what is a management? 5 points. Definition, planning, execution, controlling, and the completion process. You well know this all 5 points. You are the successful of project manager. Okay. So many people having more experience, but somebody going up and down, somebody well known. So somebody tell I know this kind of, but some entering the concession path, they know how to able to execution, how to control, how to complete the project. This is very important. So this is very important. So we up to 4 years. So after diploma 3 years is there. Up to 4 years is it, you so you must learn about all 3 years to 4 years. So how to plan. So finance semester different concession project management are one of the subject. They're giving this kind of chapters, how to define, how to control, how to execute, how to complete. So 5 points is very important. So I can tell you, keep on mind. First one, definition, planning, execution, controlling, project. I can tell you, you can keep on experience, keep on knowledge, you can get cultivate. So this is very important. you get job easy. They will call you. So this is very important. I tell you before, civil engineering is a non-limitation. Civil engineering is unlimitation. So mainly knowledge is a you can keep on working knowledge whatever you know. So nobody every student knowing about all things. So nobody tell me I don't know. So no one say this kind of statement. Everyone know about this all civil engineering. So mainly what is means some students not coming outside. So they know, but it's not coming outside. How to work? How to will come outside? Keep on working. You can go to outside. So keep on working. So first one definition. What is a definition? What is a plan? How to get a plan? How to execute? How to control? How to complete the project? So this is the well known. So this is very important. So what is given the circuits, design, develop, analysis, and evaluate. So you can keep on working. How to design, how to develop, how to analysis, how to excavate. So I can tell you it's analysis. So continuously cyclone it came into Chennai. So it's not came. It's So some delays happening, that uncertainty happening due to weather condition. So you can analyze it. So why happen? So delays happening. How to rectify? How to finish a project? You can keep on analysis. So these are project management. That's why I said definition, planning, execution, controlling, and completing. So what is the process of management? Initiation, executive planning, execution, closer, monitoring. This is same point. I give the same definition, planning, execution, controlling, and the completing. What is project management? I say the same things. Planning, so you go to project, so many problems can come. Okay. For example, foundation. You can dig the foundation on the soil will come down. So what will happen? So due to this kind of things, delay happen. So you can rectify, you can control, how to control. So what kind of machinery we call. So this has a management is a very important. Planning is a very important. What is a project management system? Planning, scheduling, budget, scope of cost. So mainly planning is a very important. Mainly the planning is a very important. So mainly quantity is you come to civil engineering, you must know quantity is a very important. So the client would be asked. So tell me, sir, what's the budget? What is the amount of this the building? You can tell me the all things. So you want to cost about quantity. So quantity is a different subject. So what is object of construction management? Mainly two things. I given 5 points. Mainly to time. You can complete a project on time. You can complete a project on budget. For example, I have in only 5 course, 10 course. So I want to complete the project 10 course only. So don't go. So everyone complete the project before 10 course. So two course. I want to complete the two. So don't go to beyond the two things like that. So next one, time. Time is a very important. When going to start? When going to finish? So I want to complete a building after 1 day. So I said December. So next December, 1 day I go to complete. So you can plan. You can complete the project on time. On time. I told you what is scope, time, cost. So what are the activities? So planning and cost. This process is the same things I told. Mainly I can focus for what is success? You want a success mainly on time, on budget. I entirely again keep on mind what is the project I want to complete on time. I want to complete on cost. I want to complete within budget only. This is a mainly focusing concession for manager. So, what is the key of the concession project means planning, scheduling, and control. So planning is a, so what is plan? So what is the plan? It's the same message, same application. So tomorrow, um, next, so Apple month. I mean the semester. Semester can so the department giving the timetable. So this is Monday is on one subject, Tuesday is one. They give the timetable. Timetable is same for the planning. So the department give the timetable same for the planning. When going to start, what are the activities, foundation, then to be. So I given the building construction. So what is plan? What is plan? What is going to be done? How? Where? When? So these are more. You can this kind of things you can do. When going to finish? What kind of project will be done? When going to start? Where will be location? How will be finished? So you can collect this kind of document preparation. So project planning means you can see the always beyond actually looking forward. So you can see the imagination, you can imagine. Imagination is very important. So without there's no nothing, you can see the visible some by imagination. So after 1 year, I'm going to complete the project. You can see the like by imagination. So this is a given example for. And so planning means another stems imagination. Now what is done? I should be done. When going to project? When going to finish? What is objectives? Objectives of planning means money is when going to finish. What is the time? What is the time period? What is planning means estimate is a very important. Estimation means the final years. Estimation costing. So estimation. So everyone should be must know estimation. How to estimate the building. It's very important for is a male master, female master, carpenter, barber. Is a man. What are the equipment vibrators So, what is the effective planning? You can proper design of each element. What are the element is there? So mainly we have your tomorrow concept on building means mainly important foundation, beam, column, slab is a very important. Staircase is secondary. It's a considered as a slab. So beam. So each element you can design, each element you can select. So selection of machinery and equipment. So what kind of machinery? You can support proper arrangement. So you can excavate the soil. What happened? Water will be came, water will come out. So we can do the de-water. So next one, lab assist is very important. Nowadays, there's no so many things. All are working a slow down lab. Slow down lab means the planning engineer they given the schedule. So you have to complete the project within 2 days. If I tell me so to the world is a business keep in mind, business mind. So they will think in under the mind. So the 2 days will be continue 4 days. So this is they are called slow down labors. So can keep away slow down labor. Slow down labor means slowly working hard, talking with others, laughing with others. Thing. Finally, what is the scope? We want to finish a task. So the 2 days they will they will go to enter they will continue up to 4 days. What we need They don't want to only works. They don't want money. That's why they will do this kind of activity. So you can avoid all things. Mainly proper arrangement. Speed up is very important. You want to complete a project. Speed up labs is very important. Technical labs is very important. Next one, material is what kind of material? So, suppose, for example, steel. So many companies you can mainly can check the properties is very important. So what are the properties in steel? So nowadays, so many JSW is a lot of things. Is there a lot of duplicate also is there. You can check it. What is the property? You can properly can check it with the laboratory. You can check the laboratory. So many things. Proper management, proper material, and also proper staff. Staff is very important. So after some people they, they they told I know all things, I know all things. So when come to site, he doesn't know about anything because they know they doesn't know about any interest about things. So mainly well experienced employment trained, not experience, well knowledge. The staff is very important to do planning. So let's skip this stage. And the same thing. The same thing. So finally, how to do project management. So what I told before, same thing. How to do project management. Initially, we said first one we have to visit site. We can visit the site. So what is there? What is available? So what is available the other side, front side? Or we can visit site. Next one, you can prepare the paper document. Paper document is what you can get the government fund. What is any dispute is there in the land. You can check all things. Next one, you can draw boundary lines according to the government sketch. This is called a firm sketch. So this we call the project management consultant (PMC). Project management consultant (PMC). We can do this kind of activities. So, what is planned? First one, for example, I want to construct one base G plus 2. You can objectives, define project. So, what are the activities? Foundation, the first one, what to do? Lay the marking. Next, foundation. Next, principle, DPC, column, um, beam, slab. So, keep on continuity up to second floor. Next one, you can allot the resources. What are the resources? For example, foundation. In the foundation, how many labs you want? You want only male must do, female must do. How many men? So, what are the materials you need? Somehow, foundation. Foundation. What are the how many MQ? What are the quantity? You can measure the steel measurement is very important. Point measurement is very important. This kind of data you can collect. This called project planning. So I told all things. You can collect all tasks. So first objectives, resource, duration, budget, input. You can so now so don't go to the paperwork. You can go to one software. Primavera MSP. MSP you can go to MSP. Objectives. Objective one column is the activity. What are the activities? Duration. When going to be how to find the duration is the quantity. Days days quantity. So how many quantity is there? What are how many labels working in the for one day? So input. So how many cost you can uh, resources. Next one, engineers. What are engineers? Architect, structural construction, supervisor, QS engineer, planning, and the building engineers. Labors, mason, male must do, female must do, bar bender, carpenter, plumber, and electrician. Material is a cement, sand, porcelain, steel, bricks. It's a machinery. Come to machinery, uh, coin mixer, vibrator, excavator, IMC. So I give the some one on the project. You want to you make it a schedule this kind of thing. Plan a schedule. I want to plan schedule 400 days. Actual schedule 600 days. Means today I going to start. What is the planning date? 400 days. Actual what should came 600. Updated. The 600 coming down 500. This is called project controlling. These are management. Update schedule is the mainly main activities of project management. So you can keep on. So you get experience this kind of thing means so good. Next one, what going to do? What will what is a planning means daily? Daily you can daily lab and report. So this is called DLR. So what kind of lab it came? Daily progress report. What kind of activities be done? You can submit a report, basic progress report, with a monthly progress report, preparation of quantity for building sector, beam column foundation, stagger, so many things. You can prepare the quantities, you can prepare the steel quantity, beam, slab, column. Also, you can monitor the scale. My daily you can go to site, you can visit evening to morning, you can see the monitor. After you can develop the plan. After weekly, you can conduct a meeting. It's called minutes of meeting. You can conduct a meeting. Suppose the one project delayed. Why did they happen? So you can discussion is very important. Communication is very important. So these are the activities of planning. So I given some sources, some MSP. So what is the first one? Activities, duration, start, finish. Automally it's a Gantt chart. So, scheduling is a Gantt chart. CPM is a part also. Is a one of the schedule. So mainly key activities: planning, scheduling, and the controlling. So the one of the examples. So this I going to close all this. Mainly the project management only five things: definition, planning, execution, controlling, and the completing project. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, hello. You only can-
Participants, do you have any queries?
PPT on this. The PPT on this side. Like, how do you open the page? But the PPT not-
On Am I audible? On behalf of the management, head of the departments, and faculties in the Department of Civil Engineering, on behalf of the management, head of the department, and faculty in the Department of Civil Engineering, I'm extremely honored in delivering the formal vote of thanks for the session. First and foremost, I would like to thank our guest speaker, Dr. Mahesh Sir, for his valuable time and imparting sound knowledge on project management techniques. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our head of the department, Dr. M. Tanigachalam sir, for his constant support and guidance. I would also like to special mention our faculty coordinators, Dr. Priya Rachel, Mr. Saravana Kumar sir, Mrs. G. Deepna ma'am, for their persistent efforts in organizing these programs. I would like to thank Mr. G. Vinod Khanna sir for live streaming this session. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my fellow colleagues for their never-ending support. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Vinod.
Thank you. Dear participant, feedback link pushed on the chat box.
Students, please take a moment to fill out the feedback form using the link provided.